this is Nico, and we're in Japan. We live in this tower, Fuji Heights, living on Yokosuka Naval Base. Today, which is Friday, March 11th, we just experienced a massive earthquake. We have no idea what the magnitude is, but according to the news that we saw... Okay, hold on. We hear sirens. We have no idea what to do. Hold on.
To be able to provide this, we are the first responders in most crises. And so, for example, there's a ship in the region near Malaysia, the USS Essex, which is an amphib. Now, those are ships normally in wartime where they would take Marines into battle and they would treat injured Marines on board. What they can do, though, in a situation like this is they've got hundreds of hospital beds. They have doctors, they have medics, they have heavy lift helicopters that can fly into that region, deliver supplies, deliver medical equipment, deliver food. They have landing craft which can do the same thing. They can evacuate people, they can bring them on the ship. They have intensive care units, they have operating rooms on these ships. So in a situation like this, whether we saw in Southeast Asia, as you just talked about, with the tsunami there, or whether in Haiti or now in Japan, if the government asks us, the government of Japan asks us, you know, the United States Navy is ready to help.
Yeah, and it has been indicated on the Japanese news services, at least, that the Prime Minister Khan, and President Obama